This is Jibhi Waterfall. Charges are around 20 rupees. This is the ticket counter, and there is also a small, it's a it's a flea market where you will get local people making crochet stuff, which is beautiful. So we are in waterfall of Jibhi, and look at this beauty. Beautiful place, very cozy, calm, and lot of greenery. A must watch. This is the waterfall of Jibhi. Life here can be little tough and hard, but people are used to it. They have chosen to be here. And after me, I've spent so much life in the city, in London. I have realized one thing: nothing beats the nature. Are you ready to come?